We are now at the halfway point through the course, and midterm grades will probably be posted by the end of this week. But you should be able to figure out your own midterm grade since half the points have been earned to date, 500 points out of 1,000, and you can simply figure by multiplying 60% by 500, 70% by 500, etc., to figure out what your grade is. For this week, in week 5, the reading assignment, make sure that you review the learning outcomes first, and then I would advise to review the power presentation for these chapters before beginning reading the chapters for this week. The reading assignment is chapters 9 and 10. Chapter 9 entitled Misguided Loyalties, to whom, to what, at what price. And this is the fourth of the 4 root sins of criminal justice. In chapter 9, you will explore the major concepts of loyalty and loyalties in the field of criminal justice. You will learn why criminal justice practitioners must be able to distinguish between personal loyalty, institutional loyalty, and integrated loyalty. You will be able to understand the hidden dangers of being personal loyalty that is dependent to a specific superior, especially when such loyalty is inconsistent with the agency's mission or its professional values. You will also learn that organizational subcultures that emphasize personal loyalty to superiors, for example, loyalty to the person of the boss rather than to the agency and its shared values, are questionable, troubling, and at times dangerous. Instead, the primary loyalty of criminal justice practitioners should always be constitutional, legal, and moral principles, as well as to the ideals of public service, rationality, and common decency. In chapter 10, you will learn the dual lessons of criminal justice, the social order, and the moral order. You will also learn another duality that exists in criminal justice, the ideal model and the service model. So those are the two chapters that are on your reading list for this week. As far as written assignments are, you have selected exercises from both chapters 9 and 10, and you have the third discussion board entitled The New York Police Department's Stop and Frisk Policy. The discussion board opened at 12 a.m. today and will close on Saturday by midnight. And there's 2 videos which you have to watch before you answer the questions for the initial post. So that's what's going on for week 5.